The process of wearing contacts can seem quite foreign and even frightening for people who aren't accustomed to touching their eyes on a daily basis. If you're new to them, your biggest challenge might be figuring out how to get used to contacts. Need help getting used to wearing contacts? Keep watching for our 4 best tips. 1. Practice, practice, practice. When you first talk to your optometrist, they'll give you step-by-step instructions. This process involves washing your hands, picking up your contact, and then, with your eyelid held open, placing the contact on your eye. We recommend starting with the same eye every single time so you don't get your lenses mixed up. Also, if you have slight astigmatism, things may look strange if you put the wrong contact in. Or ask your friends how they do it and practice with them. 2. Practice good hygiene. Give your eyes a check once a day to figure out how you're doing. Look in a mirror and pay attention to how you feel. If you're seeing clearly and your eyes don't appear to have any irritation, you're on a good path. First, wash your hands and dry them off with a clean or sterile towel, or a disposable paper towel before touching your contacts or eyes. Be sure you don't have any soaps or cleansers on your hands. And clean and dry your hands thoroughly to avoid eye infections. Second, don't rub your eyes because dirt or lint could scratch your cornea or rip your lens if you're not careful. Third, clean and disinfect your lenses with the contact lens solution. Don't use tap water as the impurities and bacteria could damage your eyes. 3. Pay attention to the wear schedule. Some lenses last the better part of a year, while others are discarded every month or week. There are even daily wear lenses designed for daily disposal. Replace them on the schedule that your eye doctor provides because wearing them too long wears them down and makes your vision blurry. Follow your doctor's directions about the maximum number of hours per day you can wear your lenses to. At the end of the day, wash your hands and remove your contacts because you shouldn't sleep in them unless they're extended wear lenses or your eye doctor advised you to. 4. Check lens alignment. It can be hard to tell if your contacts are in the right way. If you can feel them moving around, it's time to check on them. Try either of these suggestions. First, take it out and check to see if the edges flare out. If this is the case, flip it around and try again. Second, check that there isn't a piece of dirt on your lens. Drop it into your contact holder with some solution to make sure it's clean before giving it another go. Third, if you think you have a torn lens, wash your hands and replace both your lenses with a new pair. It takes time. It's perfectly normal to not feel comfortable using contacts for the first week or 2. If you're struggling to figure out how to get used to contacts, the secret ingredient is time. We promise. Before long, you won't give your lenses a second thought and realize they'd become comfortable without you even noticing. Thanks for watching and best of luck. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.